Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Local anesthesia classification, and this is totally based on the potency. So starting with the low potency. So low potency is seen in terms of what is a drug? It is a procaine. Procaine has low potency. Next is we move on to the intermediate potency. So intermediate potency, it includes the mepivacaine. So mepivacaine. Next, what are the other drugs? It includes the prilocaine. So mepivacaine, prilocaine. Next, there is a chlorprocaine. So there is chlorprocaine as well as the lidocaine. Next, what are the drugs with the high potency? High potency, it includes what is present? There is the tetracaine. So high potency, it includes tetracaine. Next, it includes the bupivacaine. So tetracaine, bupivacaine as well as the etidocaine. Tetracaine, bupivacaine, etidocaine. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.